In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Bill.com. Let's get started right from the Bill.com dashboard. First, log into your account the way you normally do. Once you're in, you'll want to head over to the settings area. Depending on your layout, this is usually found in the main navigation menu, often in the upper right corner or along a side panel. Take a moment to locate it because settings is where you'll manage most of your company level options, including your users. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Company Settings. Under that section, you should see an option called Users and Roles. Go ahead and click that, and then select Users. This is the page where you can see everyone who currently has access to your Bill.com account, along with their assigned roles and permissions. To add someone new, look for a button labeled New. Click that to start creating a new user profile. This opens a form where you'll enter the basic information for the team member you want to add. Type in their first name, their last name, and their email address carefully. The email address is especially important because this is how they'll receive their invitation and login details. Next, you'll need to choose the appropriate role for this person. Bill.com offers several role types such as administrator, payer, or auditor. An administrator typically has broad access to manage settings and users. A payer can approve and send payments, while an auditor usually has more limited, view-only access for review or compliance purposes. Take a second to think about what this person actually needs to do in the system and pick the role that matches those responsibilities. You can always come back later and adjust their role if their duties change. Once all the details look correct, confirm that an email invitation will be sent to the new user. This invitation is what allows them to set up their own password securely, rather than you sharing any login information. After you send the invitation, the new user will receive an email from Bill.com. They'll need to follow the link in that message to log in for the first time and complete identity verification. This step is important for security and may be required before they can make payments or fully use the permissions tied to their role. And that's it. You've successfully added a new user in Bill.com and given them the access they need to work in your account.